Price is what you pay, value is what you get. Talk about the prices that you see on the tags. It cost a fortune to be very expensive. It cost an arm and a leg to be expensive. That's a rip-off, overpriced, far more expensive than it should be. I can't afford. I don't have enough money to buy it. That's a bit pricey. That is quite reasonable. It is a good deal. It is 20% off. That's a good deal. A good value for the amount of money. It was real bargain. It was dirt cheap, extremely inexpensive. It doesn't cost much to subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel and learn valuable phrases.